the live employees. You can see the overall field people user, total active users, attendance rate and all, each and everything you can see that, and also the task breakdown and all. So then we'll jump onto the field ops. So after jumping on the field ops, we go on to the real time people, where you can see the live employees who are currently active at the moment on the field. So I have clicked on Sandeep Bhattacharya. You can see the his live location. Okay. Now Prasanna Kumar and Ajit Bera as well. And you can see the absent, offline, total active over here. Okay. And on the bottom right hand side, you can see the selected user. Now if I go to the people logs, you will be able to see how much kilometers that I have traveled over here, when he is active, when they have punched in basically. So what I'll do, I'll jump onto another date, maybe yesterday's data, so that you can see the data over there, like as in how much kilometers they have traveled, each and everything, how much money how much the amount need to reimburse and all, each and everything. You'll see the logs over there. Okay, you can click, you can see the punch in time, punch out time, total work hours. Okay, so if I click on Sandeep Bhattacharya, okay, so you can see the live locations from where to where they have traveled. Okay, from the on the right hand side you can see the timeline over here. Okay, or which locations they have been, uh, uh, he has been traveled and he has done a location visit and all. Okay, I go on to the Girish Bhattacharya. As you go on to the Girish, you can see that total 93 kilometers they have traveled, 7 hours of work, your GPS accuracy and all. You can see each and everything, when they are punched in, when they are punched out, each and everything you can see that. And you can see the points. Point 1 2 is the stoppage point. And now if I go into the every exception review, over there you can find out what are the exceptions that has been done for the day. You can see that how many employees are went on offline mode, or their GPS accuracy was low. You can see that. And under the sites, you can create the site. Basically, we call it as geofencing or geo tagging. You can say that, where your employee have to come to that particular location, and then yeah, they have to they will be able to punch in on that particular location. So in your case, you can use this functionality with your employees who generally work on a single site. Like that way you can restrict that particular employee. You can select the user from the drop down, select the branch name and all, and reset the radius, so they will be able to punch in whenever they're gonna reach to that particular location. That's it. Now we jump onto the analytics section, where you can jump onto the field people detail timesheet. Over here you can see the number of hours they have worked, when they have punched in, when they have punched out. If you click on that number of hours, you will be able to see where they have traveled, the whole timeline. Okay, so yeah, similarly you can see on the other sections as well. So if I go back, and if I go into the field expense customer visit report, you will get all the customer visit report. If you go into the field expense report, you will be able to see their daily working hours, how much kilometers they have traveled. Let's suppose if I pull out any of the Gotham Shetty's report, like let's suppose I'll pull out this month report. So if I click on this particular report, you will be able to see how much kilometers they have traveled, how much time they have spent on the field, how much amount that need to reimburse this month. You can see each and everything, each and every day's breakdown you will get over there. Okay, so that you will get an idea how much kilometers your employees are traveling in the field, and what exactly they are doing on the field, how much time they are stopping at each location. You can see the amount calculation and the total task and the total stops calculation over here. Similarly, if I go on to another date, you can see the another date log over here. So now if you go into the uh, company expense report, over here you can see the company related expense. So there is another section called company expense. So they haven't raised any kind of company expense, but they have people expense. So you can see that these are the people expense that they have generated. Okay, so that you'll get an idea, like how much money that need to be reimbursed and all, and you can see that. And also you can manage the leaves and holidays. If you click on the leaves and leaves on holidays, you can see the holiday list and the leaves over here. You can set the leaves and all, and you can apply the leaves from the leaf section, and the holidays will be auto applied and all. So yeah, so that's the thing. Then we have this autopilot where you can create certain kind of alert like punch in alert, punch out alert, weak signal alert, GPS disable alert, so that we can put all the loopholes uh, in such a scenario, so that they won't be able to find out any kind of loopholes on the platform. Okay, to bypass that. So we have covered all the aspects like GPS disabling and all each and everything. So that's the thing. Thank you. And then if I click on this uh, so if I click on this download apps, you will be able to download the mobile application. We are available on Android and iOS both. Thank you.